Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanika Popli and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would be giving you a room tour, my hostel room tour. So recently I've shifted back in my hostel, which has one room which is attached with washroom, balcony and kitchen. So it is really nice. Earlier I was staying in a flat outside, but now I think this is much more convenient for me since the room is also very good. So now I'm back, and now this video would be comprising of clips and videos of different days all together, and which helped me make my room look the way it is looking right now. Watch till the end, because in the end you would be seeing my complete room all together. Okay, so today was a really tough day, a very hectic day. But abhi I just installed these curtains. Actually, I haven't. I just called the carpenter and he is done. So 2 of the curtains are set in my room, and my room is a major mess right now. And also I just received a courier from my home, because when I came, so I did not bring any clothes with me. I couriered everything. So I'll just give you a look of what my room looks like. Cleaning this whole room is almost taking me more than 5 days, and still I'm not much satisfied with how my room looks like till now. So this is my very huge courier. The rest of the room is a very big mess. I just give you a short quick look of it. Tuck tuck bus. So bus itna hi. This is what my room looks like right now. And where am I standing? I'm standing on the table, because that is the only place where I can right now stand. That is the only cleaner part in my room. And yeah, chalo, right now I'm doing this. By 7 o'clock I would have my geyser person coming, like the person who installs the geyser. And then I am also ordering some online things like laundry bag and few of nice cute little things for my room. So they would be also coming by, let's say, 2 to 3 days. Okay, so I'm still in my scrub and I've come back from my evening duty in that same room, which is full of mess. But one thing which is very good which just happened is that I've got my geyser installed. It is a very small 3-liter geyser, which is an instant geyser, but I think that is well sufficient for me right now. And also a very big defect in this washroom in this hostel is that we do not have that port for that geyser. So thoda jugaad system karke finally geyser lag chuka hai. I'm so happy. So these are the cemented racks which we have got in the place of the cupboard. So what I have done is have one rod fixed for the curtains, and then one rod in between which would hang my clothes. So I have a lot of clothes which are very long and I need to hang them. So yes, this would serve that purpose. Now to start with, I am using these cellophane sheets, and I would just cover all of it because I am really scared of the insects, and I can seriously see a lot of webs also coming. So that is why I would be sticking few of the cellophane papers like this, and all over I would be sticking it, the ones I have placed it, few in the corners, then on the rack, and then again here in the corner. So similarly I would be doing it below too. So this is what I need to do before I keep my clothes. So first I just quickly place all the cellophane sheets and then place my clothes. It's a huge mess and it would take a lot of time. So probably this would look like a very low-key walk-in closet. Came back from my evening round and look at the vibe in my room. Due to these curtains, I'm loving it, but still my room is a mess. So I would just set my room, ignore the mess behind, and I'm just starting with it. Only after that I would freshen up and like do everything else. But first I need to clean my room. That is utmost important for me right now. अब समझ नहीं आ रहा I should start with this bag or one bag which is lying over there. one bag is empty now. So I have to open this one now. Oh my god, I'm literally tired. To open this mess. So all the clothes which I brought are tagged in safety. As you can see, tagged. All I have to do is open. Hopefully they fold. Let's see. Two packages. One has this thing, this extension board, which is very important, and the other thing which I've gotten is a laundry bag. The reason why I've ordered this is because it goes with the theme of my room, that is very beige and very subtle colors in my room. So yeah. New package I just received. For the aesthetic view of my room, I have ordered this cushion from Flipkart. Is a set of 5 cushions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one here. So this is a set of 5 cushions, and the cushion covers are coming in my next delivery.